Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Nissan Kicks. First, let's get you comfortable. To start your Kicks, simply press the push-button ignition while holding the brake. Next, adjust your driver's seat and side mirrors for a clear view of your surroundings. Familiarize yourself with the steering wheel controls for audio and cruise settings. It's all designed for an easy, intuitive experience right from the start. Now, let's explore the infotainment system. Easily connect your smartphone using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for seamless navigation and apps. The touchscreen display provides intuitive access to your audio, vehicle settings, and more. For hands-free communication and music streaming, simply pair your device with the Bluetooth system. Enjoy a connected and entertaining drive every time you hit the road. Your Nissan Kicks is equipped with features to enhance your driving experience and safety. For longer journeys, engage the cruise control to maintain a steady speed effortlessly. The intelligent emergency braking system helps detect potential frontal collisions, providing an extra layer of security. When parking, the rearview monitor offers a clear view behind your vehicle, making tight spots much easier to navigate safely. To get the most out of your Kicks, consider engaging the Eco mode for improved fuel efficiency on your daily commutes. Don't forget to explore the versatile cargo space and flexible seating arrangements, perfect for adapting to all your adventures. You'll be surprised by how much you can fit. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.